I'm just taking it all in.
Admiring it, yeah. When other in your life are you gonna tear one of these down?
Well, you never know.
You never know. That's what I was also gonna say. Maybe I've slowly brainwashed you to get your own.
Yeah, oh shit.
Maybe you won't even, you'll just sell Garf's motor.
I don't think, no, Garf's motor's going in.
No, Garf's motor's going in.
Stop it.
Holy shit.
Fuck, right away.
That's fucked.
That was right off the fucking...
Well,
Right?
We might have to grab that little view thing for it.
Whoa! Man, that one came out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, brother. No, it's just, see, it's like orange stuff. It's like adhesive.
Yeah.
But yeah. No, that impact part.
Is it 100% necessary for them to fucking do that?
Not, I don't know. Just it keeps it secure, right?
Yeah. Just them being overly cautious. Doing GM things.
Yeah. All right. The thing we were missing the other day. All right. Are you slipping on it? No, I think so. Okay. There she is. Boom. Take care. We're almost at the bump stick. Well, the stock bump stick.
The baby.
The baby. Well, fucking. Like, it'd probably actually work pretty good, like 5.3 or whatever.
You could jam that in a 5.3?
Oh yeah.
Would it add low?
Like 4.53, probably, yeah. But and like also retain like the AFM though, right?
What are we gonna do with that thing then? Can we hook that on No Club or 519 trucks?
Yeah, or marketplace or something. Fuck, someone would want it. With all the like problems that they have. Fuck. Someone would use it. All right. Front cover stuff. Do-do-do. Separate that guy. We got a ball for nice. Getting places. Yeah, they really get these things on there, so. Yeah, we're gonna have to drain it.
Oh, fucking Moto Master.
Yeah, it did it. Alright, so yeah, some of these, they don't have the sensor that goes down to the oil pump cylinder line. So we gotta get to that first. Drain it. We'll see if there actually is oil in it.
Looked like it by the dipstick.
Yeah. Double bucket. Oh yeah. Fresh. Yeah, they send you with a little bit of oil, I guess.
Oh, what a nice set of guys.
Yeah. Doing this in the truck. Yeah, key struck. It was a pain. Come on. Get out of here.
I keep backing into your toolbox by accident.
Alright. Look at that, eh? Freshy. Just fresh.
That is a freshly batch made of Kool-Aid right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's so cool to see.
No, I know. I'm just taking it all in.
Admiring it, yeah.
Yeah.
When other in your life are you gonna tear one of these down?
Well, you never know.
You never know. That's what I was also gonna say. Maybe I've slowly brainwashed you to get your own.
Yeah, no shit.
Maybe you won't even, you'll just sell Garf's motor.
I don't think, no, Garf's motor's going in.
No, Garf's motor's going in. All right, I'll clean that up.
Battery, oh yeah, battery is going on this. I didn't bring that on. I was thinking this time.
That sounds better.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep this nice. There you go. There's 2 timing marks right here. That's for the cam gear. And then that little dot.
Oh, I gotcha.
Crank. Oh, there we go. Get it. You need to go. There we go. Out. That look, that little guy has to go back on, but put a little taser on it. Alright, look at that, almost there. Just need a Torx socket. Should have this in there. We're not gonna let that hold us up here tonight.
That is one undressed 6.2 liter.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, brother. The factory cam here. Nice and lean. No, I said nice.
I said nice.
Go on. There she is.
Look how shiny that is.
Literally brand new.
You're taking a cam out that looks that good, CJ?
Nope. No, I haven't. And she's not going back in.
Yeah, silly redneck things.
Yeah. It might go in something else one day, but not this one. Not
Nope.
this block.
This block wants to party.
Yeah.
Good night and party on! Party on, Wayne! Party on, Garf. It's Wayne!
And then you got this little guy here. Well, I shouldn't say little. The Texas Speed.
That's the good stuff
Yeah.
right there.
Get that. Yeah. LC7.
That's the good stuff.
Hell yeah, brother.
That's gonna make the thump noise.
But big guy. There's some brake clean, wipe her down, lube her up.
Jam her in.
Drop the fucker. Stay good.
Trick of the trade right here.
Make more of a mess. We're not dropping it.
George in that motor video, he drops one of the pistons.
Oh yeah. Whoops. screwdriver to kind of.
Ow, she's aggressive, my friend.
Yeah, it just gained some power.
We just took it from old man boomer mode to millennial mode.
Jam in there. Should be a good time.
There we go. She's in.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Down. You do go backwards again.
Yep. Hell yeah, brother.
There she is.
Oh, look at that turn in there. She's gonna go.
Nice.
What do you gotta take out of better?
So there's a little block we have to put inside of it, and it stops it from like retarding or advancing.
I'm guessing in layman's words, it takes the 4-cylinder mode away.
No, it takes the valve timing away,
Oh, I gotcha.
which is Jesus. Get it lined up here. These are the new lifter buckets.
That's some super plastic to, like,
Yeah.
that's crazy that sits inside of a block.
I know. They just hold the lifters in place. It is crazy though, eh?
Yeah. There's plastic that goes inside that.
Yeah, they all have it.
It's crazy. You think it would melt.
You'd think so, but it doesn't. Alright, so we'll do one of these on the phone here. Should we set it camera up and do a time lapse?
Oh, could.
It's just one of those days. We don't wanna wake up. Everything is fine. Everybody's done. You don't really know why, but you ain't justified. No human contact. If you interact, your life is on contract. Your best bet is to stay away, motherfucker. Stop the he said bullshit.
Look at that, Keith. Park's going in.
Yeah. We're getting there.
Couple more bolts and we'll be back to you.
And then it's gonna find 10 mil, eh, bud?
10 mil, no.
Yeah, it's going.
No.
Oh, got it. Hey, Russ. Yeah, I got it. Nice. Look at that.
Pretty.
Yes, sir.
Things going back together.
Things are going back together.
We were that much closer to.
Yeah, we are. Fucking name. I'll clean all this shit off too. I'll get a razor blade. That's how we seal them up now. Seal them
Yep.
up. No more gaskets, eh?
Really?
Yeah. Same with the oil pan. That's how they do it.
Cheaper.
It actually, I feel like it does a better job. Yeah. That's sick.
It is.
The cam is in, and the front cover. Color match, baby.
That's gonna look good.
It's gonna look really good.
Orange.
Orange. What's the color actually called? Isn't it like?
Sunset orange metallic.
Yeah. It's gonna look so good.
Just for those little extra touches on it.
Yeah, yeah, and then we'll do the lettering on the
Corvette.
on the covers there. Like, yeah, and then yeah, like once he sprays that, I'll pop all the O-rings in and I'll like transfer the sensors over from the other one.
Yep.
It'll live on there. But even like just see like the black cover on there.
Yeah, that looks dope.
Yeah, even the black looks good on there.
It does.
So sick.
Because it just says power.
Yeah.
That's what that says to me.
Fucking right.
You know, I'm glad we got
Yeah.
one for this. That way you can keep it.
Oh, yeah.
We don't have to tear into it.
No, that's perfect.
Yeah, that makes me a happy boy.
And like even like it's just ready to go to get sampled. You know what I mean? You got it blasted and it can get painted. Fucking right.
Mother trucking.
Yeah, call it a night.
Sounds like good plan, bud.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a night.
Same.
We're gonna come back out here tomorrow. You're good to come back out
Oh
tomorrow?
yeah. No wife, no life.
No, my wife's good with it right now, so I'm running with it.
Run with it while you can.
Yeah, no shit. But yeah, no, like we're at a good point now.